Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my signature bun that I usually do, and let's get started. So right now I'm going to be using this track that I made, which is basically an entire 14-inch. I cut it in half and then I went ahead and sewed it in. You're going to need a bobby pin, more than one, and I'm going to be using the Lovely Bees edge control while I'm doing this bun. So right now what I'm doing is going ahead and just going to start wrapping this bun around, and I will come back in the next clip and show you guys the next one. Okay, so right here, I'm going to just go ahead and take my comb and just comb out all of the hair, making sure that I don't have like any like naps or like kinks in the track. So yeah, so right now I'm wrapping it around my head, making sure that I wrap it from the top of the track and going ahead and like twirling it, and then just going ahead and just wrapping it under the bun. Keyword, I said under because you don't want any tracks showing. And right here I'm going to be placing my bobby pin in it, so that way we can have that bun nice and secure. Now for the finishing part. So I'm using Lovely Bees edge control that was sent to me. So right now I'm going to show you guys exactly how I am going to insulate these edges, okay? Because we do not want a bun that has like nappy edges, you know what I'm saying? So I'm placing this on my edges, and yeah, I'm just going ahead and just really want to show you guys, you know, in person how bomb this edge control is. Oh my God, if I knew about this edge control, but I never thought to get it. And when she sent it to me, I was just like, wow, you know what I'm saying? So, and to be truthfully honest, guys, she was having a giveaway. So yeah, that's how I got up that into y'all business. But so with that being said, yeah, so right now I'm just placing it all. And I like to really place it at the very front of my forehead too, because this edge control, y'all, is just so freaking bomb. Like, I also got an edge control brush that she sent to me as well. So I'm just going ahead and just, you know, laying these edges, because, I mean, guys, look at this. Look at this. Look, I mean, that is awesome. I mean, I've used so many edge controls, but this edge control is the truth. You know what I'm saying? Like, do y'all see that? And I also love to put like sideburns with my buns. I don't know if you guys like to do that as well, but I love it because it just gives so much to the look. And to like actually use this, and it also just works. It's not sticky, and it's not flaky, and it's not hard, because I've had so many edge controls that are hard and flaky, and you know how you take your hair down and it's like all that white stuff come out and you got to wash your hair all over. That's not the case with this edge control. This is definitely one of the best edge controls I have ever tried in my entire life. And to see the outcome of how this does my edges, and knowing that it also works with like thin edges as well, it's just awesome. So I just really wanted you guys to actually like see this. Like, do you see? And it actually, you know, me putting this on my edges makes me actually want to continue to like use this. Oh my God, look at my edges, y'all. Look at this. This is like so freaking awesome. All of this, I mean, it's bomb edge control. So I just wanted to show you guys a glimpse. This is a totally different video for me, and I will see you guys. Thanks for watching.